Globally, healthcare is being revolutionised. We're seeing rapid investment in digital health solutions, and more health services are being delivered to patients in their homes and in the community. ableX is at the forefront of these two very powerful trends. Our product is a digital healthcare solution which enables patients to recover from stroke and neurological injury much faster. It's a clinically proven combination of therapy games and versatile handheld devices that accelerate physical and cognitive rehabilitation after a stroke. In 2010, we saw an opportunity. Over 2/3 of all stroke patients are sent home unable to use their arms and hands. We've come a long way in 7 years. We now have over 700 medical gaming devices in use in patients' homes and in hospitals around the world. Right now, we have two amazing opportunities to roll out the ableX system to two leading providers in Australia. Our capital raise will ensure that these implementations in Melbourne and Perth are successful, and will bring on the next 10 hospital clients from our existing pipeline. Success in these sites will ensure that ableX becomes the standard of care in dozens of hospitals and for thousands of patients.
So the key to better stroke recovery is doing more therapy, and the health system we have today simply can't cater for what's needed with the manual therapies of old. ableX is really unique. It's personalised healthcare, designed to engage people. It's fun, it's smart, it's challenging, but it's also really simple. It's easily accessible for both patients and also healthcare professionals, so lives in both of those worlds very comfortably. And there's an incredibly intelligent business model that sits behind ableX, and I think there is a huge potential for growth.
Here at the Perrin, we've been involved with the ableX company, exploring how this can supplement our current neurorehabilitation programs for patients with stroke and multiple sclerosis and any other condition that affects the patient's ability to move arm or leg. So the ableX complements nicely our program of therapies that we have to try and improve the recovery of patients with neurological deficits. It fits in with our brain stimulation programs. We have other therapies that are on the horizon, such as pharmaceutical agents that we hope to be able to try in the near future. And we're really looking for anything we can to improve the lot of our patients who have persistent neurological deficits, and this fits beautifully in with the program. What I'm very excited about is the application of this program in a big state of Western Australia, and I'm sure there'll be advances upon this technology and perhaps newer things that evolve over the next few years. And we here at Perrin like to think we're right at the cusp of that, and I have a big list of patients who are itching to do whatever they can to try and improve their current state.
The fact is, ableX changed my life. It was the start of real recovery. It gave me reason for hope.
There are now over 15 million strokes a year, and as the world's population ages, this is only going to increase. Most people are left dependent on care after they come out of hospital. Australia and New Zealand have a population of over 450,000 people with stroke injuries. Leading hospitals and healthcare providers ask us to implement a solution in the cloud. We've provided that, and this enables physiotherapists to prescribe treatment, patients to undertake that therapy, and then subsequent analysis of the data by the care provider allows them to deliver a consistently better health service.
In 2016, researchers from the Royal Melbourne Hospital published results from a trial of 92 patients using the ableX devices to increase the intensity of training during upper limb rehabilitation. The significant results of the first trial have led to the commissioning of a second trial where 200 patients are using the ableX devices in their own home remotely. This trial has the potential to establish ableX as part of best practice for stroke rehabilitation.
I believe digital healthcare is the future, and ableX has the potential to be a game changer in terms of the way we deliver and design health services for neurological patients in the future.
Our reputation in Australia is already leading to more opportunities in the far larger markets in Asia and the US. Our most recent clinical results also indicate future applications for ableX, with other major conditions such as multiple sclerosis and dementia. ableX represents a new generation of digital healthcare. We have proven efficacy and developed a customer base. I invite you to be part of this journey with us.